again, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have a feeling your life is as crazy and fast moving as mine. And you know what? Sometimes we miss things. Sometimes I forget I'm supposed to go to lunch with somebody, or I forget I'm supposed to send snacks with the boys or something, right? Well, this video is an overview of the entire month. I want to make sure you did not miss out on anything that we have on our website now. And if you missed out on this one, I am so sad to tell you, you completely missed out, because once it's gone forever. This is our Fold It Club. This is our shaped card club. It's our fastest growing club, and it is a shaped card, or you could put it on a card or a banner or make it a box, all those wonderful, awesome things. And this one is going to be gone. So if you get a chance, get in our Fold It Club ASAP so you don't miss out. Also includes 2 5x7 stencils. But our Stamp and Die Hard Club, we released these cute little gingerbread guys and girls. Just look at how adorable they are. Absolutely love them. But wait, there's more, because you know I can't stop with just one Stamp and Die set, right? I took it a little bit further and I added other guys. So these guys are a little different. These are making a snowman. The club ones are just little cookies. Aren't those cute? These guys are making the snowman. The snowman comes in the add-on set. Then, and I didn't get to show this one before, I feel so bad, but look at how awesome this tree gatefold card is. Ready? This is using the club set. Open it up. Have a sweet Christmas. There could be a gift card right there and a little message right in here. Isn't that gorgeous? This is our tree gatefold card. I love it. Oh, we also released, look at our cute little guys. We also released the Wishing You a Sweet Season. How appropriate, because, you know, sweet treats. Cookies, yum, I'm getting hungry. We also released this 5x7 Fold It gingerbread house. It makes a card, or you could make it a box. Look at what Yvette did. She made it a box using our A1 box. Open it up. There are A1 cards on the inside. Imagine giving this gift to someone or selling this at a craft fair, right? I know, so adorable. Then, oh, here's some more guys. You know what? I just couldn't stop showing you all the fun guys. You could also add them to our jar Fold It to make it a snow globe. So cute is that. Then we also released our holiday icon background die. So it's the background die here that you're seeing. This is our snowman and tree from last year. But look at how awesome they are. May your Christmas be merry and bright. Love it. We also, going back in time to fall, we have our cute little owl in the pumpkin. It can be a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern. The choice is yours. Then, okay, you guys, are you ready? This one, I cannot keep it in stock. I'm glad I have it right this second, but look at that leaf border. May your days be filled with warmth and cheer. Is that the most beautiful you've ever seen, or what? Whoa, popular. We also released our Happy Fall, perfect for our big circle flip-its. Love it. Isn't that adorable? So fun. Then we had our Angel Fold It by popular request. So many requests for an Angel Fold It. Now we have one. Oh, and here's that gingerbread house I didn't get to show you. So I showed you the box. Here it is as a card, 5x7 in size. So it really gives that wow factor. Look how gorgeous that is. And yes, there's a little bit of pink on there. You know I love my pink. Here we go. Oh, the twine, the faux twine die. You're going to find so many different ways to use this one, including using it with your wax seals. Love it. This is also using the Dream Big background die. Here we go. Oh, Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. Also comes with Romans, I think it's 12:12, which is an awesome one also. Oh, we also re-released, I took this on HSN 100 years ago, the Scarecrow Pudgy and the Turkey in the same set. So go check that out. Also, we released the Party Graceful dies. There's Party, there's Sorry, there's Pray. There's a whole bunch of different ones in there. You're going to definitely want to get that one. Last but not least, we re-released for a limited time our Baby Jungle Animal class. This is an online class pre-recorded, so you get to watch it as many times as you want. It'll be in your account the second you buy this. It comes with this awesome card base, which is so cool, and you learn how to use this card base in the class. 3 different cards we make in that class. Go check that out as well. Woo! Oh, one more thing, 2 more things. We also released my, because Stephanie wanted it, napkin rings, because that was very important to me for Thanksgiving, and our kit club. We have a very limited amount of these left. Pretty much every month they sell out because we get new people signing up all the time. We make extra every month and we sell out because new people are always signing up. Are you ready for this? Let's check this out. It does, of course, coordinate with our stamp and die set. You get a handy dandy postcard. It coordinates with our stamp and die set that I just showed you, but look how cute those stickers are. You get little wooden candy canes. You get a ribbon. You get, ooh, some felt with holly pieces on there. Look how cute those are. You get the die words, have a jolly holiday. Oh, look at this, my friends. An A1 card base of a gingerbread guy. So adorable. You get matte epoxy dots. You get, oh my goodness, you get cardstock, you get an envelope, you get regular envelopes, and you get a paper pad. Look how awesome this is. Perfect for my Stamp and Die Hard Club members to die cut out using their dies. So my friends, make sure you go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. If you're not in the card kit, there are a limited amount left, so go get them ASAP. And if you missed out on any of these items, if you're a club member, you will still get the club price. Yes! Isn't that awesome? Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.